If you can hear me, this is the voice in my head. Hi, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you. Consider subscribing at the risk of your sanity. Most of us are guilty of saying this. I have nothing to wear. So I decided to challenge myself to go into my closet and create 11 looks with just one black skirt. I divided the looks into 3 categories: business, business casual, and casual.
Girl, I can't lie.
The first look is more of a professional look. It is good for interviews, especially because the blazer gives your shoulders shape. A softer look can be achieved by swapping the black top with a nude colored top. This can also be paired with a handbag that I recently just got, and trust me, it goes with practically everything. Heels are also great with this outfit. So you got the job. The second look is more of a power outfit. You may want to wear this if you want to command a room, maybe during a meeting or a presentation. It also gives me lawyer vibes as well. What do you think? Again, the handbag also works with this outfit. Heels also give you a bit of height, which also is not a bad thing if you want to draw attention to yourself. To all my females and males, you need a red outfit in your life. The red chiffon top is absolutely beautiful. It's still official, but you look more approachable. I love the frill in front of the top, and this outfit makes me look super mature, which, by the way, lies. Lies! I'm not! And you can wear this with a lower shoe. Minimal accessories is my vibe in the office. That's why you're probably seeing me wearing just a watch and very small earrings. This one was a bit difficult for me to decide, but I put it under business because what if you're just that extra person though? I have worn this cold shoulder top to the most serious of meetings and it works perfectly. The print at the front gives a little bit of pizzazz, and something important that I need to mention: contrast is always your friend. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't like the bag with the top because of the clashing prints. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below if you're enjoying this so far, and leave me a thumbs up because hey, it's free. The turtleneck is another closet staple. I put it under biscash because first of all, my turtleneck is made of like a light t-shirt fabric, and second of all, I feel like I would wear this if I have like another engagement outside work. That's why I paired it with this slim bag. And the handbag that I bought, it comes like with 3 bags: a big bag, a slim bag, and another tiny clutch bag. And again, the flat shoe because I walk a lot, so I think the flat shoe would be appropriate for this outfit. I would wear this top on those days where I don't want to draw attention to myself. You know, those days where you just come in, sign in to work, you're not having a very good day, you don't want to talk to anyone. I feel like this communicates that. And it's cute, but if you think about it, it's nothing special. Fashion is also a means of communication, so I just feel like this outfit just says that I'm here, but given a choice, I'd actually be at home sleeping. On the flip side, if you really want to draw attention to yourself, then a bright color is most definitely what you're supposed to go for. I love yellow. Mostly because I'm a Kamba and we have something yellow we have to represent. I'm sorry, this is proof I have to represent my people here. So I would most definitely wear this on a Friday because who cares? It's Friday. And I paired it with a backpack and black flat shoes because I don't own a pair of white Converse or black Converse. That's how I would wear them if I was to go for a closed shoe, but since I don't have that, I'm going with a flat shoe. So bright yellow, black for the contrast, and flat shoes and a backpack. This crop top, I own it, but let's just be honest, I am so shy. I don't like wearing it in public and walking around with my stomach out. But the day that I will get the courage to wear it, I would most probably style it like this. I feel like it looks really good, but maybe without the stomach showing, probably lift the skirt all the way up so that it looks like a short dress. But think about it, if you put like sunglasses with it and an afro and like the pink Converses that I'm wearing, it is such a bomb-ass outfit for like a fun 90s look. When I was pairing this outfit, I really wasn't sure, but now that I'm looking at it, why have I never worn this before? Like this style, the white t-shirt with the tiger print and the skirt, it looks very nice. It's like a nice let's go to the mall with friends kind of thing. And especially at night when it's cold, or maybe if I'm in Nairobi and it's a different city, I could probably like pair it with, I don't know if this is like a boyfriend jacket or a trench coat, I really don't know, but the outfit works. And also the fact that I'm wearing it with the like Converses, like I feel like it looks so nice. And maybe get like a small clutch bag with it. It looks, I would carry a small clutch bag. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, Wapenzi Squad! This outfit though, doesn't this make you want to take me out and spend money on me? Or doesn't this make you want to drink my bath water? I mean, this outfit is like simple but stands out. It's actually a shirt that I design like this, like I style like this, not design style. Like it's just a shirt. I will probably make a tutorial about it, how I usually make it. But I mean, yes, this is a nice dinner situation, and it's so simple, but at the same time, you see it. Like I don't even know why I'm explaining, but simple but stands out so much. I hope you enjoyed the lookbook. The point of this video was just to teach us to like challenge ourselves, and you already have enough. You don't have to go out and shop so that you can get something different or special for your closet. You already have everything that you need, and find ways to pair your clothes. Now you already have time, like COVID-19 is making us stay at home. That is if you're working from home. Go into your closet and find ways. Just find ways to pair your clothes. Trust me, you will be shooketh, because I was also very much shooketh at what I could pair up with just one black skirt. If you want to buy a black skirt, please, especially my girls who have like the big hipation of the situation, if you have big hips, sis, get a stretchy skirt. The stretchy skirt like stretches around your hips, which gives you a more flattered look, and that's what I own. This is like a stretchy skirt. It's not that stretchy, but you get the point. Follow me on my Instagram at Ndanu and Twitter at the same handle. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you on Sunday. Always remember that God only made one of you, and that should tell you something. I am so sorry that I did not post this on Thursday. Consistency is hard. Please bear with me as I get used to it. Bye!